The history and bibliography of the BSP and GSP founder, Lord Robert Baden-Powell and Lady Olive Baden-Powell. First, the history of Scouting. It was started in 1906 by an Englishman and an army officer named Lord Robert Baden-Powell. From that time on to the present, Scouting had a great impact on young people all over the world. The bibliography of Lord Robert Baden-Powell and Lady Olive Baden-Powell. Lieutenant General Robert Stephenson Smith Baden-Powell, the first Baron Baden-Powell, was born on February 22, 1857. He was a British Army officer, writer, founder, and first Chief Scout of the Worldwide Scout Movement. The first Scout rally was held at the Crystal Palace in 1909. Girls in Scout uniform attended, telling Baden-Powell that they were the Girl Scouts. In 1910, Baden-Powell and his sister Agnes Baden-Powell started the Girl Guide and Girl Scout. In 1912, he married Olive St. Clair Soames. He gave guidance to the Scout and Girl Guide movements until retiring in 1937. At the Fifth World War Jamboree in 1937, Baden-Powell gave his farewell to Scouting and retired from public Scouting life. 22nd of February, the joint birthday of Robert and Olive Baden-Powell, continues to be marked as Founders' Day by Scouts and World Thinking Day by Guides, to remember and celebrate the work of the Chief Scout and Chief Guide of the world. In his final letter to the Scouts, Baden-Powell wrote, quote and unquote, "Be prepared. In this way, to live happy and to die happy. Stick to your Scout promise always, even after you have ceased to be a boy, and God will help you to do it." And Lady Olive Baden-Powell. Olive St. Clair Baden-Powell, born on February 22, 1889, was the first chief guide for Britain and the wife of Robert Baden-Powell. She outlived her husband, who was 32 years her senior by over 35 years. Lady Baden-Powell became chief guide for Britain in 1918. Later the same year, at the Swanwick Conference for Commissioners in October, she was presented with a gold-silver fish, one of only two ever made. She was elected World Chief Guide in 1930, as well as making a major contribution to the development of the Guide or Girl Scout movements. She visited 111 countries during her life, attending jamborees and National Guide and Scout associations. In 1932, she was created a Dame Grand Cross of the Order of the British Empire by King George V. In 1930, the World Bureau conferred on her the title of World Chief Guide, a position she held up to the time of her death in 1977. Lady Olive visited the Philippines twice. The first time was in March 25 to 27, 1958, as part of her travel itinerary in Asia. And the second was on October 11, 1966, during the closing ceremonies of the GSP's 25th anniversary held at the Luneta Grandstand. She conveyed her warm affection and pleasant thoughts to the Filipino Girl Scouts during these visits. That's all for the history and bibliography of the two founders of BSP and GSP. Thank you. God bless. Stay safe.